Hey, I just wanted to do a quick video of a AR I recently put together. It's a 20-inch heavy barreled. Not sure the name of the brand on the barrel. I bought it in a lot of mixed AR15 parts, but it's a Anderson lower, PSA upper, PSA bolt carrier group, mag pull furniture. Gonna shoot some cheapo steel case Monarch ammo. My uncle actually put this one together, so if anything goes wrong, we can blame him. It appears we had light primer strikes. I'm not sure if that's an ammo issue or if that's something with the firing pin. I'm going to load these back in the mag and see what happens. At this point, I feel like it's an ammo issue, considering the primer is obviously indented twice now. Let's see if these will go off. So I'm having an issue with the firearm right now. There is a round stuck in the chamber, and I will say that this gun has only been lightly lubed. I'm not sure if this is a steel cased ammo and an AR issue, or if it's just now breaking in. I might have to dig that out. I'm going to get some good brass ammo and load it up, clean it, lube it, and we'll run some more mags through it.